ऐसी तो बहुत किताबें हैं. You know, recently I was in London and I was walking on the Oxford Street with a friend, and I told her that when I was 16 or 17, I had read a novel, If I Forget Thee, and I don't remember the name of the author. And somehow, anyway, so I don't know who had written it, I don't remember the name of the author, but that was a fantastic novel. And I'm surprised why it was not made into a film in Hollywood. Now he has become an international star. So she said, okay, let's find a book. And within one block, she found a bookshop, and she entered, and she told this gentleman who was sitting on the counter that the title of the book, If I Forget Thee, we don't know the name of we have forgotten the name of the author. So can you find this book for us? And I am a technology challenged person, so I was totally shocked that within 1 minute that man said that this book is out of edition, it's not in the market, it's not in circulation. There are only 2 copies. One is in Ireland, another in Cincinnati, USA, at such and such shop. So she said, can you send it at such and such address in Bombay, to Bombay? She said, yeah, we paid the bill or whatever. And then I got this book. If I Forget Thee, I had read when I was 16 years old, but that book remained with me, and I think it can be a great novel, a great novel. Then there are certain true stories, like there was a lawyer in 20s, Joe Lubavitch, and Quentin Reynolds, a very big respected journalist, has written a book on him, Courtroom, about him and his different cases. He was a criminal lawyer, perhaps the most successful criminal lawyer ever born, because in his whole life he had fought 163 criminal murder cases and won 161. Lost 2 of them because the client used to lie to him also. And how he used to win cases. And ultimately this man, who was such a cold-blooded, ruthless professional, somehow got emotional about one case about 9 black boys from Alabama who were falsely implicated in a rape case and given capital punishment. The youngest was 9 years old and the oldest was 17. And this man left his successful business and went to Alabama and fought free for these boys. So this can be a great film. I don't know why nobody has made a film on it. So there are so many stories, some true, some fictitious, that can be great films.
नहीं मैं स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ता हूँ मैं I've never had the appetite to read unfortunately as a hobby I just took up film viewing I used to stay awake and watch films all the time and I have to confess मैंने 2 States भी नहीं पढ़ी है जो मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ I thought played the character no that was an individual choice I didn't want to read it to be influenced yeah, the possibilities are endless in terms of the kind of material available. Sometimes you don't have to pick up a particular book. It is just being inspired in a genre, in a world. Today, the fact that Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter have been turned into films, they stem from what? Literature. Today, India needs maybe visionaries like that to not only write, but to be able to execute it. So there are so many ideas that exist in our mythology. Our mythology is the greatest writing in the world. I mean, that I think जो पढ़ते नहीं हैं वो भी कह सकते हैं. The Ramayana and Mahabharata in itself have so many stories waiting to be told. Like I've always been fascinated by our own Indian culture. So there's so much, like Javed Saab said, so many historical characters, so many true stories, so many incidents waiting to happen. It's just about being able to create that situation where you can make those films. It's not about what I want. We should be able to think out of the box, not कि यही एक किताब है. There's so many more stories that exist.
There is a problem, you know, if I may add to it. Any good novel, any good short story, any play will always be rooted in a particular culture, in a particular soil. But when you are making a commercial film, when you are making mainstream Hindi cinema, you want to please all. If the picture is Suppose you are making a Marathi film, then you are fine because you know that the picture will have Marathi language, Marathi ethos, Marathi characters, and Marathian traditions and everything. If you are making in Bengali, if you are making in Gujarati, then you are catering to the audience of particular region, audience that is rooted in a particular culture. But when you are making a Hindi film, you are trying to please all. And in this endeavor, characters become ruthless. You will always be scared to take a classical novel or a great novel and turn into a mainstream commercial cinema because that novel will be rooted somewhere. That is why it's a good novel. But when it comes to mainstream, that becomes a handicap. So that is why it has happened very rarely that mainstream cinema has taken a classical or a respected novel and made a film on it. There were times when we had a much smaller and more educated middle class. When middle class was coming through education, not through industrialization. That time, Sharad Babu, Premchand, they were the writers that were turned into, their work was turned into films. But now, you see, you have a huge middle class in this country that fills these multiplexes. But I am afraid that it will take a generation or two to reach that intellectual level that 50s or 60s had in the middle class. So you wait for next 15, 20 years and then films will be made on novels.
But I just remember there was a book that I did want to, that has become an English film. It was Alexander Dumas is The Count of Monte Cristo. That's actually been something very interesting that I've always thought will make for an interesting enough Hindi feature as well. Because correct, so it's been made, adapted or utilized in its own sense. But it's very interesting, like now Christopher Nolan says his inspiration to make Inception, he used the tale of two cities to create a reference point. Now, you don't need to only get to pick up a book. It's an influence in your life, in your culture. So that's why directors and writers, I guess, they are an evolved species in comparison to us actors who only fulfill one part. They have that world, and I think that's the fascinating part. Like Javed Saab said, you can create a world with your writing. So more than a novel or a script, it is to create those worlds. I'm excited to see. Hopefully, we'll get those.
Interpreted Inception in a different manner. Rajkumar Hirani.
Each audience member will interpret a film, as in that's the uniqueness of watching a film.
The very idea of Inception is there in PK. Even Rajkumar Hirani himself has confessed that after watching PK, I rewrote my screenplay. Otherwise, it was very similar.
Inception, you're saying?
Inception, sorry, yeah. Very similar ideas. And this book, now reminds me of a strange book I read long back, The World According to Garp. That book had quite similar to the genre, your work.
I must tell you one little story that somewhere there was a literary meeting with some 100 people, and a young man got up. He had to read a short story, and he said that before I read my short story, I must make an honest confession that I have been influenced by Camus. Camus has been a great influence, and even in this story you will feel that it is like Albert Camus, but I couldn't help it. And then he read the story, and everybody was quiet because he was influenced by Albert Camus. A lady who knew Camus well, she got up and said, "Young man, there is no influence of Albert Camus on it. It has nothing to do with Camus' work. You just forget it, that you are influenced by Camus. Your story and Camus' story have nothing to do with each other." I don't know why I have narrated it, but there must be some reason.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? सनसनी केस खोला था। मैं अभी आपको मेरी डेट की डायरी भेजता हूँ और बताता हूँ। I'm going to start shooting soon. अभी तो ये सेम चीज कही है मैंने। कल ही मैं दिल्ली में था जब मीडिया से मिला वहाँ पे। I'm starting end of July we will start shooting, and that's pretty much the status in terms of when we begin. The rest of the details, it's only fair that Balki sir talks. क्या मैम? कौन? No मैम. विस्तार से आप थिएटर में देखिए ना आके। मतलब हम आपको सब बता देंगे तो फिर थिएटर में क्या बचेगा यार?
नहीं, आप सबको मत बताइए, मैं इनके साथ 2
आप
घंटे
आइए विस्तार से बातचीत।
2 घंटे बैठ जाइएगा जरा, अभी हम भाई बता दें।
चलिए आपको इतना कह सकता हूँ कि it's a romantic film and it's based in an urban setting. That's pretty much where I feel I'm allowed to speak. जिनकी फिल्म है उन्हें हमेशा पहले बोलने का मौका देना चाहिए where a film's material is concerned. अच्छा इसके बाद चले जाओ ना घर, ठीक है? माइंड जल्दी पूछ ले यार। Yeah, I mean, I tried writing because I wanted to be a director, and I wasn't very good at it because my mind seemed to run much faster than my hand could. And I thought of too many things that didn't eventually make sense in terms of a character. I just wanted to encompass everything into one book. And I was very young, naive, and gullible at that point. I thought I can achieve it. Not book, it was actually for a script that I was pursuing at that point to be a director. And I realized maybe I'm not ready yet, so I've not dwelled on it after. And I really don't know. You evolve over a course of time. आज मैं कुछ और चाहूँगा, 5 साल बाद कुछ और चाहूँगा. So जब सच में लिख लूँगा, it'll be easier for me to answer that.
आप बताइए, मुझे तो पता नहीं उसके बारे में, प्लीज बताइए। हाँ, मेरा यह ख्याल है, आई थिंक।
और विस्तार से पूछिए, क्या पूछना चाहेंगे? जी।
ये क्या कर रहे हैं? You're reducing the whole press conference to a shit. Somebody has to shut up.
सर वो मेरे दोस्त है और मैं उन्हें पर्सनली विश कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं बिल्कुल उन्हें करूँगा विश।
Please don't ask such questions. This is a book launch, not a film gathering. Whoever allowed you to come in.
Okay, so before we wrap this up, I have one final question for Devashish. Devashish, now that you're here and your potential readers are all in front of you, any message you have for them?
Please do read the book, and thank you for coming to the launch of Mimia Multiple. As you know, it's a love story between two highly dysfunctional people who are not at all compatible with each other, unlike your usual love story. The guy is manic depressive, suicidal. The girl is actually 3 girls in one. So it sounds like a thriller, but it's actually a romantic comedy, and I hope that when you get to read it, you will discover more. So please do enjoy it, and thank you so much, Javed sir. Thank you, Arjun, and thank you, Chokse uncle. Thank you so much for making this evening so special.
Thank you so much.
शंकर पर बूम निकाल ले, ये आगे मत जाओ रे, तुम बैठेगा हो दोनों, मत जाओ, आगे मत जाओ, ए मत रुक जाओ, बैठ जाओ, मत जाओ। ए सुमित,
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'm sorry it's a bit hectic because get even more hectic. Yes, please tell me you can come home whenever I'm... Yes, 100%. See you. See you. All the best with everything.
You will have a closer photo opportunity in just a bit, but I guess since Tiger's here, it's very, very important for us to use his time. And why not have him unveil our brand new brand identity for Planet Fashion?